Hello guys, I'm Tony. Welcome back to my channel. If you are someone who is interested in full stack development, AI or data science, then today's video can literally change your career direction. Because today I have bought two very powerful opportunities. One is an AI research internship with a stipend up to 80,000 per month, and second one is a full stack engineer role in AI based company. And trust me, the first opportunity is something most people will ignore, but those who understand it properly can actually get ahead of 90% of others. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's start with the first one, and this one is seriously exciting. The company is Vansun Mediatech, and they are hiring for the role of AI research or data science intern. The location is Gurgaon, and the best part is it is remote, so you can work from anywhere. Now, let's talk about why this role is different from typical internships. In most internships, you just do small tasks or basic coding, but here you will actually be working on cutting edge AI technologies like LLMs or generative AI. So, things like ChatGPT style applications, AI agents, and real world AI use case, that's what you will be dealing with. Your work will include researching latest AI trends, experimenting with tools like OpenAI, LangChain, and Hugging Face, and building real prototypes and proof of concept. Basically, you will go from idea, building, testing, improving, which is exactly how real AI products are made. You will also collaborate with product and engineering teams, so it's not just learning, it's real industry exposure. Now, coming to the eligibility, they are looking for students from top tier colleges like IIT, triple ITs, BITS, and top NITs. But even if you're not from these colleges, if you have strong skills and projects in AI, you can definitely apply. What really matters is Python knowledge, ML fundamentals, and problem solving ability. If you have worked on AI projects, hackathons, or internships, that will give a big advantage. Also, if you have a GitHub profile with AI projects, that can seriously boost your chances. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part, stipend. For this internship, you will get around 70 to 80,000 per month, which is honestly very high for an intern role in India. And the duration of this internship is 6 months with a strong chance of PPO. If you get converted to full time, the salary can go around 8 to 10 LPA, which is a great start in AI domain. Now, before you skip, the second opportunity is also very important, especially if you are into web development or full stack development. The company is Yuri Inc. and they are hiring for the role of full stack engineer. This is a full-time role and company itself work on AI-driven platforms, so you will still be working in a modern tech environment. In this role, your main work will be around front-end development using React.js along with back-end integration. So you will be building user interfaces, converting design into code, and making sure everything works smoothly across devices. At the same time, you will also work with backend APIs, mainly built using Node.js, and integrate them into your front end. So it's a full stack exposure, not just front end or back end separately. You will also be involved in deploying applications on cloud platforms like AWS or GCP, which is a very important skill in today's industry. And apart from development, you will focus on performance optimization, write clean code, and maintaining code quality. Now, coming to the skills, you should have strong knowledge of JavaScript, React.js, along with understanding of concepts like DOM, component based architecture, and state management. If you know tools like Redux, Webpack, or Babel, that's even better. For backend, basic knowledge of Node.js or Express is expected, and you should also be comfortable with APIs, Git, and cloud platforms. Eligibility wise, any graduate or any postgraduate can apply, so this is open for a wide range of candidates. So, if you are someone who enjoys building website applications and working with modern tech stack, this is a solid opportunity. So yeah, these were the two strong opportunities. One is a high paying internship and another one is a full stack engineer role. If you are interested in AI and future technologies, go for the first one. And if you want to build your career in full stack development, the second one is a great option. Make sure to check the application links in the description box. And if you want more high paying and genuine job opportunities, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.